Tie-dye is one of my favorite projects, and I love making matching outfits for our family, as you know if you follow me. Today, my daughter Lily is here to help me, and we're gonna make a kids inspirational tie-dye shirt. So we've got our 2-minute tie-dye kit, which is awesome if you've never used it. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to tie-dye with it. And then we're gonna write our personal message with our Tulip Slick. All right, should we get started? Yeah? Okay, here's what you need. All you need is a t-shirt, so we've got a toddler tee, and then you also need your tie-dye slick, and then your 2-minute tie-dye kit. And there's a ton of colors in here, but we're gonna pick out her favorites.
Pink is my favorite.
Pink is your favorite, so we're definitely gonna use pink, right? In your 2-minute tie-dye kit, you get everything that you need. We picked out our favorite colors, and then you also get your gloves and your rubber band, and you get your tie-dye box, which is what you're going to use to microwave and set your tie-dye. So right now, we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna take our dye bottles over to the sink, we're gonna fill them up, and we're also going to wet our t-shirt. So we wanna make sure that our t-shirt is nice and damp. All right, let's head over to the sink, kiddo.
Wow.
Okay, Lily, what's on our table?
A mat.
A mat. So it's a piece of plastic to cover our surface, and then is our t-shirt wet? Yeah, nice and wet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a spiral pattern on our t-shirt. So I'm gonna...
It's like a strawberry pattern on my blueberry software.
What? I don't know about that pattern, but we're gonna twirl it up, and then we're gonna put 3 rubber bands on, okay? Can you hand me the rubber bands? Okay, can I have one? Okay, we're gonna put one across, and these 3 rubber bands are gonna help us section it off into 6 sections. All right, we're gonna put our gloves on. All right, now mommy's gonna grab the dye. Okay, you ready? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add dye to each one of these sections, okay? We're gonna start with our light pink. Mommy's gonna show you what to do, and then I'm gonna let you do it, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna lightly add a little color to each. Okay, you ready? Okay, do it together. What color next?
I don't know.
Purple?
Purple. Can I do it?
You can. Okay, ready? I'm gonna help you though. So we're gonna go to that section. Ready? Good job. Get it all in there. Okay. Hot pink next.
Hot pink.
Hot pink. Once you finish the first side, we're gonna switch it out, and I'm gonna get rid of this paper towel. We're gonna put a new paper towel down, and we're gonna do the exact same thing on the back with the dye. Once you've finished it, instead of wrapping it in plastic and letting it sit, we're gonna actually use our container that comes in our tie-dye kit. We're gonna put it in our container. So we're gonna go put this in the microwave for 2 minutes based on the wattage of our microwave, and then we're gonna let it sit and cool before we reveal the design. Once your shirt is dry and cool, make sure you follow the instructions for washing, and always wash it by itself the first few times. Now we're gonna have some fun with our Tulip Slick Dimensional Fabric Paint. You're gonna get some paint, pick out your favorite colors, and parents, if your child is a little bit younger, you can write the message for them and let them decorate it, or they can do it on their own. An easy way to do your message is start by writing it in pencil on your shirt, and then you can use your dimensional fabric paint to trace it. Make sure that your shirt fully dries, and then it's time to try them on and have a dance party. All right, if you want to find out more, make sure that you visit Tulip's website. You can find out where to purchase it or purchase it there, and also get more great ideas of fun tie-dye projects. And of course, you can follow me over at Craftbox Girls or at craftboxgirls.com for more great fun tie-dye outfits. We got lots of fun matching family outfits.
Be kind and laugh, everyone.
That's all right. Bye, guys.
Bye.